Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forward Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 17 Pro. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Direct Digital Printing Case Classic Black for the 17 Pro. I reviewed some Spigen cases earlier, so if y'all want to check out those cases, you can definitely do so. You can get this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Like we normally do my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Does it add bulk? The overall fit of the case, you know, just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. I mean, this is Spigen packaging. If you know, you know. This is what they do. Bam. But look at this case. I love the design on this case. Look at it. That is so cool. Bam. That is just cool looking. I love the camera cutouts. I know y'all heard that snap, but do you get camera protection? I'm gonna say yes, you do. Do you get lip protection? You do get some lip protection there all the way around. Again, would I slam my phone down? No, I probably would not slam my phone down at all. But you get lip protection. The power button is nice and tactile. Volume rockers are the same. The alert slider or action button works great too. The camera button is good. It's not really a button, they got just like a clear plastic over it. But it works, I mean, not bad. So I know a lot of people love that button being covered up. For me, it's not a big deal, but this one works. Everything lines up at the bottom, nothing at the top. But I love the design of this case. I mean, look at it. That is so cool. That is so cool. The overall, it doesn't have bulk either. It's not a bulky case, not really a heavy case. I'm probably will get me a scale soon and just try to start weighing these cases. I don't know, people have been asking for it too. But I mean, you can check all four size and it doesn't add bulk at all. There's no rocking to it. And then the overall fit, that's pretty good. A little loose here. I mean, I have to pull it. It's a little play there, but not bad. And then, yeah, I heard that little snap there. Definitely not a bad fitting case. Is it one of their better fitting cases? Probably not, but again, you drop your phone, it's not gonna come popping out of it. I mean, you lay that down, look at that. I just love that case. Let's check out, can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge, and then, oh my goodness. Yeah, the magnet is super strong on there. No problem at all. Let's check out other accessories here. So yeah, I mean, that magnet is super strong, y'all. Here's my new favorite test. Like, I mean, you're not just, I mean, yeah, the magnet is strong. That magnet, Spigen's doing this thing with that magnet on this case. So this one checks off a lot of boxes for, you know, at least for me. You have camera protection, love the cutout there. It could have a little bit more lip protection around it. The overall fit is good, doesn't add bulk. The buttons are nice and tactile. Everything lines up. Y'all seen how strong that magnet was with this case, so checks off a lot of boxes. Spigen goes all out with iPhone cases. I have a few more that I will be reviewing, so stay tuned. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 17 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.